General information maintenance date and technician name, location, building identification system, type, CCTV, alarm, access control, system manufacturer and model visual inspection control panels, damage, functioning indicators, cameras, mounting, lens cleanliness, field of view, sensors and detectors, damage, positioning, obstructions, wiring and connections, secure cables, corrosion-free connectors. Alarm system, verify alarm functionality during testing, ensure all zones trigger as expected, and confirm siren alert sounds operate at appropriate volume. CCTV system, check all cameras transmit clear images. Confirm recording system, DVR, NVR, captures footage correctly, and verify smooth, error-free playback. Access control system, test all access points, doors, gates, verify ID readers, keypads respond correctly, and confirm access logs generate properly. Intercom systems. Ensure intercom systems are operational with clear audio and verify communication between different stations functions without interference. Software and firmware. Verify security system software runs error-free. Confirm all system configurations are correct. Check firmware is up to date on all devices. Ensure all patches and updates are installed. Review system logs for errors or suspicious activity. Verify sufficient storage space for logs and recordings. Power supply. Confirm stable power from main supply. Check power cables for good condition. Test backup power system functionality. Verify batteries are charged and holding charge. Confirm. Recent testing of backup systems. Network connectivity. Verify system is connected to network without interruptions and ensure network cables and connections are secure and in good condition. Remote access. Confirm. Remote access functions correctly for authorized users and verify connection is secure and encrypted. Notification system. Test alerts and notifications are being sent as configured. Email, SMS, and check for any delays or issues in the notification system. Maintenance records. All maintenance activities must be properly documented with records of past inspections available for review. This creates an audit trail and helps track system performance over time. Complete documentation also helps identify recurring issues and plan preventative maintenance more effectively. Compliance check. Verify the system is compliant with all local laws and regulations governing security systems. This includes checking that all certifications and licenses are up to date. Compliance requirements may vary by location and industry, so it's important to stay current with applicable regulations. Identified issues. List all problems or issues found during the inspection, including severity level and potential impact on system performance, corrective actions. Detail any required repairs or maintenance needed, including timeline, parts required, and estimated costs. Recommendations. Provide recommendations for system improvements or upgrades that could enhance security effectiveness or efficiency. The final section requires the technician's signature and date to verify completion of the inspection and take responsibility for the findings. Create template, open eAuditor Audits and Inspections app, and start a new security system maintenance checklist template, or use an existing one. Organize sections. Break down the checklist into logical sections, visual inspection, functional testing, etc. Add items and configure. Include specific tasks with response types, pass, fail, yes, no. Set up alerts for failed inspections and add photo attachment options. Generate reports. Use eAuditor's reporting features to create and share comprehensive reports after each inspection.